So can you do things around your house on your own? Yes, you can. I've got all kinds of videos that show you how to do different things, and you know, I could basically go to anybody's house and make a list of probably 100 things that need to be fixed or that could be done differently that an average Joe like me could do. And that's the type of stuff I post on my YouTube channel. Best way to find it is to go to the main channel page, click on playlists, and I put, every time I upload a video, you know, I stick it in some sort of playlist, and some videos can go in more playlists than just one. And so you'll find all that stuff somewhere on my channel. Ton of things you can do yourself at home. You like to putz around at home, you like to save money, you want to make your place look halfway decent, better than it is right now, and you know you can, just watch some of those videos. You know, I like to say I won't post anything I think you can't do. So pretty much, you know what that means? That means pretty much any video you find on my channel, I think you can do if you've got a little bit of know-how. And even if you don't, you just watch my videos. I try to explain stuff as I go on how to do things, you know? There, see, doesn't that look better right there? That one little spot. That'll encourage more growth. Let's just do one little more section. I wasn't going to make a video of this. Of course I wasn't. But lots of times it's funny. Lots of times I'll think, I'm not going to make a video today. But then I take my video camera out anyways, because you never know. I never know what I'm going to say when I turn the camera on, what I'm going to show. I got my video camera out. I got a slew of things to do in Motha's house, a honeydew list. Got 2 pages of things, and it's all kinds of stuff. Some of it I'm gonna make videos, but lots of it I've already have videos of the same type of thing posted to my channel. But you know, I'm sure I'll make quite a few more videos. Because even if I have a similar thing that I show, I might say something slightly different, you know. So, lots of my videos, maybe, you know, if it's a 5-minute video, maybe there's just one 20-second segment that will help you with your next project. Who knows? And so I always like to tell people, you might as well watch the whole thing, because you never know what I'm going to say. Now see, here's a little bit of grass right in here that's not the same as the other grass. And so I'm going to pull some of it out. I'm just going to, it'll kind of help rejuvenate the grass areas. And hopefully the existing grass will fill in, and it will. It's amazing how well grass will do. You know, I used to live in Maui, and they needed to plant some grass, and so they just thatched an area with a lawnmower, raked it all up, and then they spread it all out on the ground, and it grew. You can even do that. I mean, if you had a thatch blade, you put it on your lawnmower, you could thatch your grass, and then the remnants you could take and kind of fill in these different areas. You know, as a thought. I'm just going to leave it like this. If I had some mulch, I guess I could put that in here too. Huh? I think I got some in the garage. Mother's got some. Oh, I could kind of do that. You know. Okay. And so I thought I wasn't going to stay out here but only a couple hours today. Oh, my mother brought me out some water, and then she brought me out a protein shake that she made. Gave me enough energy to say, well, I might as well stay out here a little longer, get this stuff done. So I got a whole list of other things I got to do. So I guess I better keep at it. And see, I got this little section right in here to do. There's another little section over there, and then this bit along here. And son of a gun, I think I'm going to keep doing it until I get done. Oh, here's what I was going to tell you. On my phone, I got on Pandora Classic Rock Stories. And so that's what keeps me company while I work. Try it next time.